Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Wayne here. Today I figured, let's do something different. Instead of doing the usual food reviews or restaurant reviews, let's change things up and do a hotel room review. After all, eventually once I start traveling around the world, I will be going to many different hotels and I want to do a review on many of the rooms that I stay in. So I figured, why not start now? And today we are in Las Vegas, Nevada on the Strip, and I will be reviewing the Excalibur Hotel room, especially the Stay Well room, which is the one I'm staying in. Price point wise, it costed me around $55 a night, which I think is a pretty decent price considering it's on the Strip and it's in Las Vegas. So with that being said, if that's what you're into, stay tuned because we got a lot to show you. So this is a tour of Excalibur's new or remodeled Stay Well rooms, and I have to say it's actually pretty nice. So starting off from the entrance, once you come in, you'll see this nice gigantic door over here that is pretty nicely made. And then the top, there's a fire safety code over there. Full-length mirror down here, pretty cool. Then there's two locks, one over here, and that's pretty much it for the door itself. On the left side of the door, you'll see that there's a switch over here that controls that lamp right up there. As you can see, we turn it off, turn it on, there you go. There's also the little fire safety thing up there. And immediately on the right side, you'll see that there's a door over here. This is the restroom. We'll come back to this one soon. But for now, let's go for the room tour. Now, a few steps forward, you'll see on the left side, there's a connecting door that goes to the other room. So if you are booking two rooms right next to each other, then you'll have the opportunity to go right into it. But since we're booking just by ourselves, we're not going to open that. On the right side over here is your closet. You can see it's a full-size closet. It looks absolutely amazing. Let's open it up, see what's on the inside, and oh man. So there's basically, it's a pretty spacious closet, I would have to say. Quite a few clothes hangers, some bags, ironing board, iron over here, all the basic necessities that you need. A little lounge chair over there to put your baskets, whatever. It's a pretty decent closet, I would have to say. Not bad, but nothing really too special here, so let's close this back up. And moving on into the room, as you can see, it's a pretty vibrant and bright room. Excuse the mess, this is our stuff, and that's the trash over there. This is the last day here, so ignore all the messy stuff that we have on the tables. But anyways, as you can see, it's a pretty decent room, I would have to say. Nothing too special, nothing too fancy. I mean, you're paying like $50, $55 a night. You can't really expect much, but for what it is, it's a pretty decent room. So on the left side here, you got a lamp post over here. Pretty nice looking lamp, although kind of a little bit weird, but I guess. Then you got a painting over here. I don't know what this painting is. If those of you who know what it is, tell me down in the comments below, but I have no idea what it is. It does look cool though. Then moving on over here, you got your nice desk to put your stuffs on or belongings. I got some water over here. This does not come with the hotel. This we actually paid for. We went to CVS nearby and bought our waters. But there's a desk over here for you to use. TV, it's a decent sized TV, not too big, but I would have to say the quality of the TV is actually not that good. Like when you're watching TV, the shows are all pixelated or it looks like it came from the 90s. So not really good TV. I wouldn't really recommend this TV. They also give you a magazine book. As you can see, BTS here is this week and last week for a concert. Absolutely amazing. So for those of you who love BTS, know that they were in Las Vegas during this time. Moving on, we got this little table over here, two chairs for you to sit on. Pretty comfy, although I would have to say that one is a little bit hard. I'm not sure why, but it's just pretty hard. Table over here, not bad. Ice bucket. They give you 3 cups total. And a booklet over there. I don't know what that is, but that thing makes a loud noise, so I unplugged it, but I have no idea what it is. Some type of air freshener or something. Here's a mirror where they just put it over here so you can look at yourself, although this thing's in the way, so not really helpful for a mirror, but still not bad. Moving on, you got your windows and curtains over here. Although I do have to say, I have no idea why they put curtains on the side of the windows, mainly because if you notice, there is nothing over here, it's just a wall. So if it was me, I would probably save the money and remove the curtains because they do absolutely nothing. Like that curtain over there not protecting anything at all, it's just a wall over there. So there's that. But the view from the room is actually pretty decent, I would say. As you can see, we got the poolside view, so you can see everyone playing in the pool, although not this time. Right now it's like 9 a.m. in the morning, so it's still too early, but give it a few hours and the pool will be completely packed. You see the stadium over there, which I think BTS is going to be playing in. Absolutely amazing. But overall, nice view. You got the mountain in the backscape. Oh man. Looks absolutely beautiful. Now I would have to say, if you want to close the shades, it's a little bit hard to do. You got to pull this, and normally I know people will say, oh, that's easy, but for some reason, this, you actually got to yank really hard. Like, you got to put in some strength just to close this cover up. Like, as you can see, that's pretty much it. That's all it's going to cover. There's still some leeway down below, but other than that, not too bad. I mean, it does the job for what it is. I'm going to go ahead and open this back up because I need the light for the video, but just know it is a pain in the butt to open and close the shades. Next up, you got your air conditioning down below here. Ignore my stuff over there. As you can see, you got your AC unit. It looks like something super old school. They could probably renovate this a little bit better. But then on the right side, you got your air freshener or air purifier. I mean, this I don't really like, mainly because it's very loud. For instance, let me turn it on and so y'all can hear. I don't know if the mic can actually catch it, but do y'all hear that humming or buzzing sound? Like literally, you like when you're trying to sleep, you cannot fall asleep. This thing is super duper loud, but does a good job purifying the air. That I actually like. However, at nighttime I turn it off mainly because it's just way too loud, so there's no need for this. Other than that, back to the room itself. And as you can see, you got two beds over here. Sorry, I try to make the bed look as clean as possible. I'm not very good at doing it. But these are the two beds. I would have to say they're decently comfy, pretty soft, decent to sleep in. Overall, it gets the job done. Nothing too special, nothing too fancy. It's just a regular bed. Then over here, you got a little small desk with the remote for the TV. You got a clock over there. You got an outlet over here, and this turns on the lamp. As you can see, this, you got a USB port and a phone over here, all of which are pretty good items to have. Nothing too special. And what else is there to say? Over here, there's a picture of something. I don't know. It looks pretty cool, though. Other than that, the room itself is pretty much finished. I mean, if you're wondering if there's anything in the drawers over here, it's basically empty over here. There's nothing whatsoever. Not even a Bible or a pen or paper. But for $55 a day, you know, I would have to say it's a pretty decent room for what it is. As you can see, this is what the room looks like in general, and it's just a ordinary room, nothing too special, nothing too fancy. It's a decent room for what it is. Anyways, with that being said, let me show you the bathroom, which is right next to the entrance of the door when you come in. Once you open the door, it's actually pretty nice looking bathroom. Turn on the light. You got a big mirror up here. Oh man, absolutely beautiful. You got two lamps over there. You got a little mirror over here for the ladies for you to use. You got a hair dryer. Sorry, this is down. Put this back up. Decent hair dryer. I actually really like this hair dryer. It does its job. It comes with shampoo, body lotion, and soap. Soap I already used, so it's not over there. But just trust me, there is soap over there. And as you can see, sink. Nice looking sink, although I have to say it's a little bit too tall and too wide. Like, you have to bend all the way over just to use it. So not really a fan of the sink, and maybe they made this a little closer, it would have been better, but it is what it is. $55, can't really complain. Then you got your toilet is over here. It's an ordinary toilet, nothing too special there. You got this painting up here. I don't know what it is, but it looks pretty cool. Then on the left side, you got your shower, which I actually have to say is actually pretty decent for what it is. They give you a lot of towels, by the way. Like, as you can see, we just have a lot of towels. But the restroom, or the shower itself, not bad. I actually do like the shower. Let's open up to show y'all. As you can see, it's one of these showers. You just flip the switch, cold to hot water. And it comes out of there. And I have to say, the water pressure is actually pretty decent. It's very relaxing, very smooth and casual. Overall, quite a decent shower. This is what the floor looks like, a little bit dirty, so we're not going to show y'all that. But as you can see, the soap is over there with the shampoo, 2 bottles of shampoo. Not too bad, and that's basically it. Like, I have to say, for the restroom itself, it's a decent restroom for what it is. Nothing too fancy. It does look nice though, but everything else, it's pretty decent. I mean, back to the room for $55 a day. Can't really beat that. I mean, this is very cheap compared to all the other casinos on the strip. But overall, I have to say, it's actually, in my opinion, if you're just using it to sleep, absolutely worth it. So with that being said, that's basically it for the Excalibur's new or remodeled Stay Well room tour. I have to say, overall it's not bad. I mean, it has everything you need to use for a basic hotel. It's very cheap too, like $50 to $55. And depending on the time, it can even go as low as $18 to $20 a day, which is absolutely amazing. Like, it has beds, nice, decent beds, nothing too special there. Has a clean restroom overall, not bad. Table, you know, TV could use a little help, but overall, for that lower price, you can't really complain. That's pretty decent. However, the only thing I wish they had was a fridge, because I would definitely love to keep my stuff cold, but there is no fridge, so it's just what it is what it is. But other than that, you know, for that lower price, it's a pretty good hotel. Like, I actually like it. So with that being said, you know, hopefully this hotel room tour did its job and y'all were able to see exactly what this hotel room looks like. In my opinion, I think it's a pretty decent hotel. It's pretty worth it, assuming you're just using it to sleep. But if you want to walk around the strip or something and enjoy yourself, maybe choose a different hotel, because I would have to say this hotel is way on the south side of the strip. Like, it's far away from all the mainstream restaurants and events, so you will have to do a little bit of walking. But at the end of the day, if you're just using it to sleep, absolutely worth it. But yeah, with that being said, that's basically it for the video, you know? Let me know down in the comments below, what are your thoughts about the hotel room in general? And also, would y'all stay at a place like this? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video there. Everyone, be sure to like, comment, share this video with all your friends and family. And also, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, because, you know, I'm a small YouTuber. Any support does go a long way. So with that being said, I'll see you later.